Your paycheck is already spent before it arrives. Buy now, pay later is why. You are not using the system. It is using you. Every tap at checkout is a loan you do not feel. They rebuilt debt into a single button. You no longer have to buy a house to bankrupt yourself. You can go into debt for a $40 pizza. You can finance a pair of sweatpants. You are already inside the system. They offer you 0 interest and 0 fees. It feels like a life hack. It is actually a highly engineered wealth extraction machine. If they aren't charging you interest, how are these apps valued at $40 billion? When you use a normal credit card, the store pays a 2% fee. When you use a buy now, pay later app, the tech company charges the store up to 7%. Stores are not selling you products. They are selling access to your spending behavior. They happily pay that 7% tax because the algorithm guarantees you will buy things you cannot afford. This is the system. You feel pain when you spend money. Your brain protects you. Handing over cash creates biological friction that forces you to evaluate if you actually need the item. Credit cards numbed that pain. Pay in 4 inches surgically removes it. This is where most people lose control. When that pain disappears, your cart size explodes by 50%. You logically know a $200 jacket is a threat to your budget. But when the screen says $50 today, your brain bypasses the threat response. You add the shoes, you add the hats. A $200 purchase mutates into a $350 purchase, and you barely felt a thing. This part is not obvious until it breaks you. You aren't drowning in a massive mortgage. You are bleeding to death from 1,000 tiny cuts. You don't owe 1 debt. You owe 12 micro debts. A $12 weekly payment for a sweatshirt, a $20 weekly payment for skincare, a $15 split payment for last week's takeout. This is what financial invisibility looks like. Every dollar of your next paycheck is claimed by 5 different apps before you even wake up on payday. You have indentured your future cash flow for a momentary dopamine hit. You fix this by adding friction back into your life. Corporate America spends billions making it frictionless for you to part with your capital. Frugal strategy is building a wall between your emotions and your money. Stop clicking the installment buttons. Delete the saved cards from your browser. If you have to chop a $150 purchase into 4 micropayments, you cannot afford it. Pay the full amount or walk away entirely. Buy now, pay later is not a payment method. It is a debt system that removes friction from spending. Debt is not the problem. Invisible debt is the product.